Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a PDF maker or PDF generator or editor with the text, images and templates similar to Canva clone. So if you're tired of paying Canva the subscription fees, you can actually try out this. So entirely it's built in browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I've given the source code in the description. You can directly purchase it. This will be the single file here, index.html file. It's a single page application which directly runs in the browser. It doesn't have a backend. So all the source code is running directly in the browser, all the processing. So once you open the application, you have this capability to add the text PDF file, whatever PDF file you want to. So it contains two pages. So now you can easily edit the PDF file. We have a quite a number of operators for adding text, images, highlighting, annotating. So you basically select the pen operator, just make the changes, whatever changes that you want to make. You can even change the color as well. It's really simple using the color picker. You also have capability to add text here as well. And then you can, using the select operator, you can actually place it accordingly wherever you want to do this. So also we have the capability to add comments as well. We also have capability to add images. You can select your image file, simply place it accordingly. Then we also have capability to add comments, this notes. So just select the location and the notes will be added. After modifying it, you click the export PDF button, everything will be exported. So you can just see here, everything has been exported, the images, text, highlighting. So this is a Canva clone editor with the templates, text, images you can add. So if you're interested in this, I've given the link. You can directly purchase the source code. The link is given. After that, you will be getting the source code automatically from Google Drive. So this is really easy for you to modify or add additional features, or you can even deploy this application very easily. It's a single HTML file here. And apart from that, we also have the buttons for adding blank pages. So if you want to add another page, you click this button and that blank page will be added. Then you can add anything to this page, text, images, anything. And then we also have this operator. If you want to hide something, you can use this operator here to hide text, images, anything. You just basically use your mouse and simply you can hide anything. So it's really simple, as you can just see. And if you want to particularly delete any page, you can click this button, delete page. So that page will be deleted, and you can even duplicate a page. So this is the overall PDF editor similar to Canva, which has all the support for templates, text, images, highlighting you can do, annotation you can do. So the link is given in the description. You can purchase the source code.